Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin, or Born Hype, coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today we got a new unboxing here from Concepts. You guys probably know what these are if you watch my live cop, but let's get in right into it. We got the new unboxing knife, which is like a massive hunting knife, but it's sharper than my butterfly knife, so that is good. But we'll get right into it here. Okay. Got the receipt, which I'm not going to show on camera. I don't think I showed it on camera. And this is the special box pair as well, so that looks pretty sick there. It's kind of like, I think it's like a mountain with the sun coming over it. Then on the side, then you got your size, which this is a size 8. And then the other sides are just kind of plain. The bottom has the same thing, but in blue. I think that's blue anyway. You guys can let me know. And then as we open it, okay, so here is where I'm confusion, because this is sick. This is dope. But I have another pair, and I don't remember having this. So I think this might be another box. It is another box. Okay. Okay, before we go over that box, there's also the Kyrie little logo in there. This is sick. I did not know. So this is going to be the regular box, I guess, and then the special box casing right there. Here's the regular box. The Nike on the side. Kyrie. Bottom. As we open it, it's in same thing in white and black. And then we got the Kyries here, which these are not my type of shoe, but if you play basketball, I've heard Kyries are amazing for basketball, so... Okay, but hold on. Let me take out this other shoe, put this down. Alright, before we go over the shoe, I want to see this other box. So, this right here is an 11.5, which I opened the other day. And look. No separate box. So, I don't know. Let me know if your guys' came with the separate box, the GR box, because I'm pretty sure that's the GR box, unless it might not be, I don't know, it might be a special box, but only one of my pairs came with that box. Alright, so let's go over the shoe here. Alright, on one shoe, it has the Kyrie logo on the tongue, and then the other, it says Concepts. On the insole, I don't really know what that is, but there's like a cool little pattern in there. I think it's like, it looks like a bug, not gonna lie. And then there's like a bug here on the, oh, that's cool. It's like the bug thing there on the little Velcro strap. And then the Nike swoosh is like silver, like glossy, with like a textured pattern on it. And then on the side, on the inside here, it says Concepts. Same Nike swoosh, just obviously a little smaller. And then the back and the sole, which is cool. It's like an eye. Pretty sure that's what they were going for. And then on the other inside, it says the little 6 for the Kyrie 6. And that's basically it. And then they come with the extra laces here, which I think they'd look way better with these laces. I don't like these colors. Like, if I was playing basketball, I'd 100% rock these, but for just normal wear, I would never wear these colors. But other than that, that's basically it for my Kyrie unboxing, but I'm still confused about that box. I know one other person in my little, like, friends and family, like, Facebook group, our little group chat, so I'll see if he got a box with his. But that is weird. I'm happy I got one with a box, though. I'm gonna ask in some Discords how that went, because now I am very, very confused. I didn't know it had another box, and now I'm scared that I can't sell the other one, which would suck. But let me put this back, and then... Okay. So, there's my two Kyrie special box, Kyrie 6s, the Khepris or whatever they're called. I don't know how to pronounce it. I didn't get the Golden Mummies because I didn't want to go for GS, even though I know grade school Kyries do good. But I was just more focusing on the men's because I didn't know if the Golden Mummies had a special box or not. Because I know they are also re-releasing, I'm pretty sure, as a GR. So, but I know the Capris are releasing as a GR, but they're not special box, and special box is doing pretty well right now. Resale value, well, the size 8 is, the 11.5 definitely isn't. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this little video. I know January is very, very slow. There's really not much releasing. I think the Clots release tomorrow. I gotta check on that. I think, let me check real quick, actually. I don't think anybody put up, nope, the 11th. Okay, so those drop Saturday, 2 days. So, and then there's really nothing else until the end of January, I think, like a Yeezy 350 or something like that. But that's basically it. So I've just been flipping bricks in the back. If you guys want some videos on me flipping bricks, like outlet cooks, whatever, like deals, steals, all that, how I make money when there isn't releases or stocks. I've joined SMD trading recently, so I've been doing a lot of stock trading and options trading. So if you guys like to see videos on any of that stuff, make sure you guys drop it down in the comments. But that'll be it. So hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's been Gavin or Born Hype, guys, and I'm out. Peace. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and comment down below, join the Discord in the description, and check out the sponsors. Thank you guys very much for all the support. It's been Gavin or Born Hype, and I'm out.